Introducing Manatee Industries toy. It's a remote control toy. We make all time on the company Manatee Industries. We do it a lot of time. Look. Yes. Preview. Welcome to the preview of the Manatee Industries remote control toy. Look the preview. You can look the play. You can look the plane. On your can't. Yeah, boy. Oops. I don't know where is the Manatee Industries remote control toy. I don't know. Okay. Models. We have a lot of models of the Manatee Industries remote control toy, but I don't put all models, but the video is gonna be too long, but we have the Airbus A380. We have the model of Manatee Industries remote control toy. This model is the Boeing 787 special livery, and I gonna put the last model. It's not the last model. We have a lot of models. Okay, here we go. And the last is the Boeing 787 original livery. Thank you for